What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about anxiety symptoms. I had a lot of very scary anxiety symptoms, and that complicates things. Sure, there were some symptoms that I could ignore, but there were some symptoms that I was terrified of. And that terror, that fear, that fearful reaction or negative reaction that I gave these symptoms further fueled it, right? It's like pouring gasoline on a fire. So I want to tell you about something that really helped me change my perspective on the symptoms to reduce that fear element. So you want to make sure that you stick around for this whole video. You're going to get a lot of value out of it. But you know what time it is. Smash the like button down below if you're ready to kick anxiety in the butt. Leave me a comment, guys. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know how you're doing with your anxiety. If you want to discuss your symptoms, this is a place to do it. We're a family. We're a community, so be a part of that. Remember, if you haven't taken advantage of my coaching or my course, Elite Anxiety Bootcamp, there's a promo code down there. Please be a part of that. Get help whenever it's offered. It doesn't even have to be with me. Seek a therapist. Seek another coach. Do something proactive and get the education, the strategy, all of that, right? From somebody that's been there and done that, okay? So I always offer that. I'm going to keep on pushing you to take advantage of that. And guys, speaking of new content and help, right? Strategy, tips, I have a brand new anxiety TikTok at Anxiety Hacker, okay? So I'm going to put the username up here, the handle, whatever you want to call it. Go follow me on TikTok. I already have some free content on there. I'm going to start posting that stuff every day. So join me there for another resource. All right, so anxiety symptoms, guys. There were some symptoms that I could ignore that weren't a big deal, but then there were some symptoms that would just freaking terrify me, okay? Some of the most scary symptoms that I dealt with was chest pain, and I had cardiophobia, so I thought I was having heart problems. Brain zaps were terrifying. Numbness and tingling scared the crap out of me. And that's just to name a few. Headaches scared me. So I had a few symptoms that really terrified me, and I would always respond in fear, right? I would respond in fear, react in fear, and it made the symptom worse. It intensified it. If I had chest pain, I was like, oh my God, what's this? Is this a heart attack? Oh my God, please stop, stop, stop. It gets worse. That's how anxiety works. Anxiety will always do the opposite of what you want it to do. If you want it to go away, it's going to come on stronger. If you say bring it on, you confuse your anxiety, and it's likely to either stay at that same level and not get worse or actually dissipate. So challenging your symptoms, I'm big on that to change your response, right? But you also need a perspective change. Guys, these symptoms are not a symptom of a disease, especially if you've been checked out by a doctor and you've been cleared, right? And you know you have an anxiety issue. Acceptance is a huge thing you have to work on. But these are messages. Once I started to change my perspective on symptoms, right? And started to view them as messages, I was less fearful. Now, some of the messages are stronger than others, but your subconscious cares about you. It wants you to change. It wants to make sure that you do the right things to get out of anxiety, because your subconscious is troubled right now. It's scared, or it's mad, or it's unhappy with you and your lifestyle. It needs love. It needs comfort. It needs direction from your conscious mind. Your subconscious can't straight up say, hey, you need to fix this and fix this and fix this, and then we'll be all good. No, it can't. The only way it knows how to communicate with you is through these symptoms. So these are actually messages from a loving and caring subconscious. Now, I know what you probably are thinking, that's a messed up way to get my attention, but it's the only way your subconscious can let you know that something is wrong. So once I started to realize that my subconscious was just trying to get my attention with my chest pain or my numbness and tingling or twitching or whatever, I became a little less fearful. And whenever you start to take the fear away, guess what? The symptom starts to go away, right? Now, whenever you get symptoms that change, say you dealt with this symptom for a while and then you get a new symptom, it kind of explains this perfectly. Your subconscious realizes that you're not scared of that symptom anymore, yet you still have healing to do. And you still have convincing to do and change to make happen, right? So it changes the symptoms so it can get your attention that way. So some of you may have just been dealing with some numbness or tingling or some chest pain. Now you're having panic attacks because your subconscious is stepping up the message so it can get your attention. Your subconscious is like, well, you know, the chest pain ain't working for you anymore, so how about a panic attack? So if you have like a little symptom, it's like your subconscious is kind of poking at you saying, hey, we got work to do. When you have a panic attack, it's like, do something now, I'm scared, I'm freaking out, help me. That's what your subconscious is doing. So start viewing symptoms and even panic as a message or a cry out for help. It's kind of sad, but it's also beautiful. It's weird. It's complicated. It's sad because your subconscious desperately wants you to comfort it, to make changes or do whatever's necessary to calm the anxiety. But at the same time, it's beautiful because your subconscious loves you so much. So I'm a firm believer in anxiety, being an opportunity for many of you and being a possible blessing in disguise like it was for me. So change the way that you view these symptoms and start viewing them as messages from your subconscious. All right, guys? I hope you got value out of this. Make sure you hit the like button down below, guys. If you were able to get any value out of this, please. And then leave me a comment down below in all caps if you made it this far. First of all, thank you for watching this much. It means the world to me. And I want you in all caps to put symptoms are messages in all caps, okay? Symptoms are messages. If you're new here, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Please, I have hundreds, almost to 1,000 anxiety help videos like this one to help carve out, hopefully, the path for your recovery, okay? So please take advantage of that. Remember, my course and my coaching info is down below in the description, first pinned comment. Please take advantage of those resources, please, okay? It can help you out. It's already helping others. I've been posting testimonials, posting reviews to show you that it does work, okay? So try it out if you haven't. Also, remember, guys, follow me on TikTok, Anxiety Hacker, okay? I'm going to be posting daily free content there. I love you all, guys, and until next time, keep fighting.